Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this quick tutorial about Act Premium Cloud. I had a client ask me a question about the differences between Act Premium Cloud and Act Desktop software. And one of the things I pointed out to this person was that the difference is this. When you have Act Desktop software, if there's an update to the software, fundamentally you have to download an update that Act is provided. You have to install it on your computer. It's something you have to physically do on your computer. Some updates are pretty straightforward. Some are a little more complex. And if you have multiple computers, you have to do that on each and every computer. One of the things I love about Act Premium Cloud is the simple fact that all the updates, all the changes, all the things that they need to do to make the software better happen behind the scenes. This page I'm on is Act's page that describes all the updates that have occurred. And you'll notice that there's what are called product announcements. Here's one on February 13th, one on October 1. These are bigger announcements that they're making, but where this really becomes apparent as to the growth of this tool is here. I'm going to hit page down on my keyboard, and here are all the release notes. And the release notes are much more detailed updates and notes on little things that they're updating, fixes, bugs. And the reality is software is so complex that when they change something, invariably something can break, and they see that and they fix it. So as you look at some of these different things and look at some of the things that have occurred, I want you to really observe how quickly in April of this year, they've had 3 updates, March a couple. You'll notice that generally around the holiday season, they don't have as many. But as I hit page down, and really this page reflects all the way back to January of 2023, when they really started this page, but there were updates before that. So if you don't think this tool is evolving, or if you don't realize how much they're trying to make it a better product, this is an example of what they've done. And you're going to see changes coming down the road to Act that are going to be very beneficial, and it's going to change the way you think about the software. So I'm a huge fan of this tool. I think it's a great piece of software, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to try to give you updates on what's available today and what's coming down the road. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye now.